The City of Arvada has initiated sub-area planning efforts to focus on targeted areas within the city as part of the implementation of the adopted Land Development Code and Arvada Comprehensive Plan. One of the first sub-area planning efforts includes the northwest area of the city. An informational public open house was held on Thursday, October 8th, in which the following slides were presented at this event. The Arvada Comprehensive Plan was adopted in 2014 and articulates the community's shared values and vision and includes the policy and goals of the comprehensive plan to guide the development of the city. The Northwest Arvada Sub-Area Plan effort will further implement goals of the land use and redevelopment, economic development, multimodal transportation plan, resource conservation and environment, vibrant communities and neighborhoods, and parks and open space components of the Arvada Comprehensive Plan. The Northwest Arvada Sub-Area is generally defined in the area east of Highway 93 to Indiana Street between the Union Pacific Railroad line on the south and the city boundary on the north. The sub-area study area will be developed in two phases. Phase 1 is the primary study area located along the Indiana Street corridor from the railroad line on the south and continues north to West 96th Avenue. The Phase 2 area is located along Highway 72 between Highway 93 to the west side of Welton Reservoir. Phase 1 will include land use discussion of the Phase 2 area, and the detailed urban design, connectivity, and other planning components for the Phase 2 area will be determined later. The Northwest Arvada study area is highlighted on the map in the red shaded areas and further defined for Phase 1 and Phase 2 portions of the study area. The perimeter influence areas are shown on the map in blue shaded areas of the study area. The active developments for the Northwest Arvada area have been labeled on the study area map, and a general description of these projects are listed in the chart as shown on the slide. For more detailed development information, please visit the arvadapermits.org website. The general focus areas for the sub-area plan includes redevelopment, connectivity, mixed-use development, placemaking, multimodal opportunities, and balanced and adaptive retail and neighborhood services. These focus elements may be modified with the public as we go through the plan development process. The Newtown sub-area plan process will include public input opportunities, and the anticipated schedule for the project is to be completed in 12 months. The Land Development Code implements the City Comprehensive Plan and establishes standards for development within the city. The Land Development Code and official zoning map identify the various land uses and intensities of development that are allowed for each zone district. The existing zone districts within the sub-area as shown on the excerpt of the official zoning map is primarily comprised of residential 24, commercial, and mixed-use zone districts. The transportation network for the Northwest Arvada Sub-Area study area is bounded to the south by a Union Pacific Railroad line, bounded to the north by West 96th Avenue, and bounded to the west by Highway 93. The study area also includes Indiana Street, a major arterial, State Highway 72, and the future Jefferson Parkway. The map of future roadway improvement needs and the existing and proposed Arvada bicycle network are excerpts from the Multimodal Transportation Plan section of the Arvada Comprehensive Plan. Please give us your feedback, as your comments are important for this sub-area planning effort. For project updates, more information about the process, sign up for emails, and make comments, please visit the advancearvada.org website.